In this library, we are going to talk about the calendar widget from the ttkwidgets library. To install a library, pip install ttkwidgets, and you can see or import the ttkwidgets calendar directly from the ttkwidgets library. And we are using this example also from the same repository. So this is the example. When you run it, you have this calendar plus an added button with select and the label also added in the example to display the date. So this is the widget. When I do not select any date, it will not print anything. If I select this one, for example, it returns the actual date formatted in the local setting. You can see here the function. So if there is a selection, the calendar.selection attribute, you print or it prints the actual date formatted according to the local date format. The parameters used here are the year, the month, the selected foreground, and the select background. If I remove these ones, you can see that there are default parameters or default color used. When I select, you can see the default color. I will get back the previous parameters. Now there are two other parameters that are not specified here. There is the local parameter, a string that specifies the formatting or the language used for the calendar, and first week of the day that starts from 0 to 6, 0 being Monday. The months all start from 1 to 12. So the start week or the first weekday, I'm going to change it to Sunday. So I'm going to specify the value 6. You can see here that the calendar or the week started with Sunday. I can also specify a local. So to get the string, I used this file, the local file or module from the Python library. So I wanted, for example, the FR or the French calendar or French settings. So I'm going to try it now. You can see here that the dates are written in French, dim for dimanche, lundi for lundi, etc. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.